observation, talaga namang masasabi na Puerto Princesa is a city of the future now.
I simply can't imagine a place like this. I just had to see it with my own eyes. Diba? Para bang Puerto Princesa is an unspoiled utopia. So for us, perfect getaway to. Diba?
At saka alam mo, kahit saan pumunta, you'll see so many things. Talagang to see is to believe. Kaya ako, pumunta na kayo dito. Kami to Puerto Princesa. We're the Fresh Prince and Princess of
Puerto Princesa.
Diba?
Yes!
Tara na, let's go!
Is a world wonder. The food is great, the beaches are pristine, and the people are environment conscious. That's why when tourists come to Puerto Princesa, they always come back for more. These are the pleasures of the Princess of Ports, here on Living It Up.
What are we waiting for? Let's swim! Let's go!